So yeah, I think that as photographers we need to stay 100% focused and have a project to which we dedicate our time and our energy. So I'm a pro, I shoot portraits of people, but that's not the thing that I like the most. The thing that I like the most is take my camera and create whatever I want to create. So I have a new project announcement for 2026. Stay tuned, we're gonna discuss all the steps that this involves and requires together. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from One Lens Only, and today, well, 2026, it was in the making for a while. I had this idea we're gonna discuss in a couple minutes, but first things first. As photographers, I think that we need to spread the voice around that we exist, because otherwise clients cannot come and ask us quotes, cost estimates, or give us any work. And so I was relying on third party. I was using time for my galleries and YouTube to spread the voice, and Instagram, and then the local network of suppliers and guys to work with the tourists, which is hobbyist. But then I think I had to work on my website. So I will realize a brand new website I didn't have for a while, but this is not my main project for 2026. The project for 2026, it's an idea that I had living here in the region. At the moment I'm in the Lake Como area, the city of Como, which is a teeny tiny city in the north of Italy, on the lake, and I am working a lot with tourists and also with all the business that is surrounding and offering services to tourists. And so this is my idea, because I saw the guys coming here I've been here for a couple of years now, since we settled and we came back from Vancouver, and honestly I've been watching the habits and how these tourists go around, whether they arrive by train, by bus, by plane, by whatever. They all do the same things. They all take the same photos. They all ask me the same things. Can you come with us on a boat? We want to have that villa as a background, and I want to propose to my fiancée while we are navigating, blah, blah, blah. Or they would book the gardens and I have to bring all the lights and prepare the stage and pretend I don't know them, so then when they arrive he can pop out the ring and propose. This kind of stuff pay my bills, but these are not motivating me more than much, because okay, maybe I will have the challenge of a new location, of a new villa, how to study the lights for a different time of the day, or the skin tones of the guys might change because nuances, whether you are from North America or India or Spain or whatever. But these are not real challenges, because the tricks and how to get perfect exposure, we get along quite well, me and my camera, so this is not challenging anymore. So I thought I would propose something new. Guys, tourists coming to Lake Como, you want to go back home with some peculiar photos, and so if you don't know where to go, I'm preparing a book with 15 places that only locals know, and try to spread this horde of tourists in the region, because they all go to the same places: Varenna, Bellagio, Villa del Balbianello, Como Città. But there are so many villages and peaks and mountains to visit all around. So if you're coming here by car, you have the chance in just half an hour, 1 hour drive to visit new places. So I put together 15 new places to be discovered, which I know, which I appreciate, and I want to share with the tourists coming in 2026 on Lake Como. So the book will be available for purchase in a few weeks. What am I doing right now? I had to gather all these 15 locations to prepare a description or why this place is worth it, what season, what time of day, what gear, and what framing looking for. I'm also giving suggestions if you want to use the rail as leading lines, so if you want to use the reflections at sunrise, or this kind of stuff. And then of course I have to visit the location and take myself the photos that are required to show actually what the end result is. So I need to gather people, because I want people to pose over there. It's not just a landscape photography. Tourists don't care about landscapes. They all love selfies. So even if you suggest where to take a photo, probably they will take a selfie. I don't mind if they purchase the book. But anyway, I have to show them how it works and what the end result is, because what I realize is that they don't have this romantic idea about Lake Como. They saw an actual picture on Instagram and they want the same picture with their faces on it. So I really have to be down to earth and to suggest. But in order to develop the book, well, any project might be done quick and dirty with no budget, or you can do things properly. So I started requesting collabs and partnerships from a couple of brands that I will disclose later on if they will ever reply and give me a check, and also with the towns, the villages that I'm willing to promote, because some villages out there are struggling because they have way too many tourists, while some other villages out there are struggling because tourists don't go there, they don't bring their money, and so it's a challenge how to manage when you have too many and how to attract them when you don't have any. And so I am promoting a few towns where they don't have that much big of a flow of visits for them in order to develop and to get prepared. So stay tuned, because I will keep you posted if any of these towns and villages will be willing to participate in the project. If any of the companies I already contacted to, because I have more or less what I need. I only contacted 2 companies. I will disclose their name later on. So we have 2 companies and a few villages that might chip in, but this project will go live anyway. So I have already written the book. I'm going in these days to visit all the different locations to get proper photos for this season, and then I will be back again in spring because I want to see how the light changes, angle and reflections, and the colors and the mountains surrounding the lake. Now it's a bit sad because the trees don't have the leaves, but when they will be green, that will be also beautiful with the blue sky, the green from the leaf, and the reflections in the lake. So stay tuned, guys, but please let me know down here if you have any projects for this 2026, a project that will motivate you, go out and shoot, a project that will keep you moving, a project that will enhance your contacts because you're contacting new people, you are proposing, the project that will be leveraging on your ability to pitch it to anybody else. So these are all the pluses that I see about working on a project while we keep taking the photos and the videos that we have to pay our bills. So this is what motivates me, guys. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please remember to like it, share it on your social media, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any videos to come, and I guess I will see you later. Thank you. Bye bye.